Here we are. It is our first big adventure of 2021.
Very exciting.
Very exciting. It is night, very frozen out. As you can see, we are 2 days late leaving because it's
snowstorm.
Big snowstorm, and we spent better part of today digging it out and loading it in the ice, slipping around. So we are way late, but we are still gonna have a good time. I think the fun part about this is this will force NIKI into doing like a Cabelas.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna be staying overnight somewhere.
Somewhere, which isn't the
check it
campground that thinks we were there 2 days ago.
Exactly.
But so that's a first big new adventure.
Exactly, 2021.
Not quite boondocking, but
No. But
and
how
then
do you
wake
get
up and have
heat?
breakfast.
We need
Sweet,
heat
I
though.
taught you that already.
Oh.
Okay. All right, let's go try it out.
Let's hit the road.
Where are we, hun?
We are at Cabelas in Gainesville,
There's the sign
Virginia.
right there. The world's foremost outfitters.
Gainesville,
See how this
Virginia.
works
Ooh,
here.
Did you see that big cat?
No, honey.
Yeah, it was a big like cat, like a mountain cat or something. You look at him, he's running over
Where is
there.
he? Where is he?
Oh my god, he's running over there.
Okay,
He was like a bobcat.
or something like that.
Oh, I'm sure. He was
Okay,
big.
let's look for like, last time there was like an RV,
Yeah, there was.
RV park.
There we go. RV park. To the right.
2 o'clock in the morning. You gotta turn the gas on. I think it's probably a little too dark for you guys to see, but I am turning the gas on. Oh, 29 degrees. 29 degrees. Okay. Whoo! Heat. Come on, click on, click on. There it goes. 65 seems like a good temperature. Do some lights. Oh yeah, hot air. Kinda like that. So, my beautiful Miss Nicole, it is a balmy 45 degrees in here. It's
Yes.
up 20 degrees from when I first came in. So how is your first night in a parking lot so far?
So far, pretty good.
Yeah?
It's 2 a.m.
2
Time
a.m.,
to sleep, but
time
we
to
need a
sleep.
little more warmth because it's still a little
I know
chilly.
how to warm you.
You do.
Yeah.
I'm just too cold to even take my clothes
Oh,
off.
come on, lady.
Well, he's not chilly.
He's not chilly. Yeah, look at him. He's very comfortable
love
at
it?
this temperature. Do you like this temperature?
Are you happy?
You like this temperature, right? Do you want to stay in parking lots more? Yeah, you like the parking lot vacation. All right, so we're gonna say goodnight. We'll see you in the morning.
Yep.
Unless some crazy animal attacks us in the night.
Like
In the
that
parking
bobcat
lot.
that was
The
running by.
bobcat, you're just a faker.
He was totally a bobcat running by.
Running by. I love the way his
Yeah.
hair blows from the heat.
Hi, my fancy. Who's my fancy? You're gonna need to go to sleep. It's sleep time.
You're checking in the next morning in the parking lot of Cabelas. How'd it go, love?
It was very good. We had lots of nice warm heat. We have a new bed, which we're gonna show you.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It is.
And yeah, we already have some people here. We had little Kona barking all night.
Barking all night.
Yay.
Barking all night. So, okay,
Lots of
so
sounds.
where are we off to now?
We're going to, I don't know.
Basically, the goal is to make it from Virginia to Hilton Head, South Carolina today.
Okay, that's where we're headed. So,
So
we'll
let's
see you on the road.
see you on the road. After a long 8 hours on the road, we arrived at Camp Lake Jasper very late at night. It's near Hilton Head, and it was very nice. There'll be a full review of the campsite. It was just too late to start vlogging. Anyway, we're going to start off our day, and we're going to go meet Blane of Raley Creative Travel.
Me and Kona hanging out. Kona? 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 Am I not good enough for you? Daddy left? You just watching for him? Kona? Kona? Kona, where are you? So Daddy leaves, and I'm not good enough.
Alright, so we are here
In
today.
Hilton Head.
We had a long day on the road yesterday, and we are now in the Hilton Head, Savannah-y kind of area with our good friend Blane from Raley Creative Travel. We'll include his link in the description so you can all go check out his channel. But anyway, it was so nice to meet a real person.
It was so great.
It's been
Just
fun.
like
Thank
here.
you for giving me a few minutes to say hey and see
Yeah.
you on your
This
adventure. So it's
So
fun.
cool. Yeah, it's been quite the adventure on the way from the snow to
T-shirt today.
t-shirt today.
Yeah, which is so great. And then tomorrow, or actually later today, it should be short.
That's right.
Short.
It'll be 80 by the time you get to Tampa. So
Exactly.
1,000 miles and 3 days later, and we've gone from a snowstorm to summer.
Exactly. Kona didn't want to be in the picture.
He's got his own things to do over there. All right, well, so cool. Let's get back on the road.
Okay, on the
All
road
right.
we go.
See ya. So, it was so nice to see Blane in person, a real
Yeah, it
human
was
being.
really nice.
And we've gone like 16 hours over the road in like 1.5 days, like lots of crazy hours sleeping in parking lots. We got to stay in a nice place last night, and now we're going to Tampa for our home for the next 2 weeks or so, right?
Exactly.
We're
Excited to
excited
get
about
there.
this adventure.
Exactly. It's going to be so much fun. And so this place that we stayed at last night, which we will have the link above, is called Camp Lake Jasper. And it is really cute, quaint. It's like a tiny place. The lady running it is super nice, super friendly. So if you call and you have questions, they are so willing to help and tell you anything. So it's a really nice place to deal with, and a really well-kept site as well.
Yeah. So let's get back on I-95 for a couple hours.
I-95, here we come.
Next stop, gas station.
Okay.
So I'm just here reflecting on road trip life. Nikki's over there walking the dog, and I'm getting gas. And like, this is day 3 of road trip life. And at this point, I cannot eat any more shit. I love shit. I love Twinkies, I love coffees, I love Subway, I love all the crap. But after 3 days of that's all you can eat, I'm like, yeah, never again. I know that'll wear off, but at least for now, I'm excited to get to Florida and actually be able to put real food on the grill and cook it and enjoy that. Because I love Quiznos, and I don't even want to walk in there and get it. Mona and I are going, oh wait, I gotta help Nikki with the RV. Here, hold the dog. Let me service for you. She needs service. I will give her credit that this stairs did fall once and attack her, so now she's afraid of it, so I gotta do this myself.
They're kind of heavy.
They are heavy. Anyway, so we've been driving and driving and driving and driving, and we've reached our final state. That would be Florida. And I think it'll probably be dark when we get to our campground, so we'll have to share that with you tomorrow once we are all set up. But let's see how the rest of the night goes. And I think we missed southern food. I wanted some cool like ribs or pulled pork sandwich or something cool like that, but every time we stopped it was at night and they didn't have it. It's a little bit of a bummer. The southern people go to sleep too early. All right, see you in a little bit.
We got some rocking and rolling going on here. It is a windy day, and it is definitely, the trailer is moving a lot.
Because if you look at the flags, they're going straight across the
Yeah.
road, so it's not in a good direction. The wind.
Right, exactly. And it is definitely moving. You can see all the other trailers kind of moving around too. Very interesting. Kona, we're here. He's a case on. A case on. Yeah. He's from the Netherlands. You got me?
I got you.
Okay.
I'm getting no instructions.
Okay. You more turn a little more. Turn more? Yeah, turn more to get it in. Okay, now start turning it the
Okay,
other
our
way.
mega journey from the ice of New York to Tampa Bay, Florida in 2.5 days, 1,250 miles later. We are now successfully at Bay Bayou RV Resort in Tampa, Florida, where we will include a review in the future and a link will be above. We hope you've enjoyed this trip. Make sure you click the like button. Click subscribe if you want to see more of our adventures. It's that time of year where we're going to be on the road again, and we're looking forward to sharing it all with you. See you next time.